Hello all, I'm Dr. Maniditi, consultant endocrinologist and thyroid specialist practicing at MedStar Hospital, Bengaluru. Today, I'll be discussing about some of the important concepts about the thyroid disorders. Thyroid is basically present in the front part of the neck. It is a small butterfly-shaped neck. It produces hormones, thyroid hormones called T3, T4. Basically, these thyroid are very important for every body metabolism. So, for the body metabolism, for the heart, for the kidney, for the ovaries, every organ to function normally, these thyroid hormones are very, very essential. Dysfunction of thyroid can lead to production of either excessive hormones or production of decreased hormones. When the hormones are produced in a less manner, we call that condition called hypothyroidism. Then what are the symptoms of hypothyroidism? Usually, the early hypothyroid symptoms can be very vague. Just simple excessive sleepiness or tiredness, fatigue, inappropriate weight gain can be there. In females, particularly period irregularities can be there. Excessive sleepiness can be there. So these are the early symptoms of decreased function of the thyroid. Most commonly, we see decreased function of the thyroid. It is called hypothyroidism. There is one more condition called hyperthyroidism, where the thyroid is functioning in an excessive manner. In this condition, the patient usually complains of shakiness and reduced weight, excessive heartbeat. So when these symptoms develop, you can visit your doctor. They will order you for the thyroid function test, or if necessary, they can order some of the scan like ultrasound neck, and they can manage their treatment accordingly. If you have any further queries, please come to the hospital and feel free to ask your doctor.